Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and it's the day after Thanksgiving, and we all know what that means. The wife wants to decorate for Christmas. This year, we thought we'd up our game by building an entire electric fireplace for our home. So we got a couple sheets to cut. First one's loaded. Let's get to work. We're gonna now pull the sheet forward, kind of out of the way. We're gonna use our location pins to go ahead and slide our sheet into place. With our sheet in place, we're ready to get to work. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flip this around. Okay, we're gonna use the location pins again. Make sure this is in the exact same spot. Perfect. Let's go ahead and get to work on the other side. Okay, we've got one half of the fireplace mantel ready and done. We're gonna load this in the back of the truck, get the other half put together. Then you're gonna come to the house, see what it all looks like. All right, the base of the fireplace is now cut out and assembled. We've gone ahead and cut out the hole for the electric fireplace insert, the two vents that carry the air in so it blows out the insert a little bit easier with more airflow. There are two pieces of the fireplace that you didn't see. That's going to be the mantel. That's a piece that wasn't done with anything on the CNC, as well as the hearth piece down here at the bottom. So we're ready to go. We're going to take off to the house and let's start the assembly.